Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your DoorDash order. We'll begin by opening up the DoorDash app like I have here. Then go ahead and log in into your account. Once you have logged into your account, look over here on the bottom left-hand corner. Do you see where it says orders? Click on that. And then you get to the order page. On this page, it should list all the orders that you have made. All right. And I'm going to cancel this specific order. To do that, I'll click over here where it says view order. And then if you look over here on the upper right hand corner, do you see where it says help? Go ahead and tap on that. And when you reach the customer support page, click over here where it says, can I cancel my order? All right. And then click over here where it says chat with agent. And let's see, cancel order. No longer want the food. And I'll click over here where it says chat with agent. Now to cancel my order. All right. And then right here, just speaking to the agent. This is how you can cancel your order on DoorDash. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful video.